Next question, Jeffrey. Where does permaculture theory draw the line between natural and non-natural? From my perspective, everything is natural because everything comes from nature. Well, yes, we haven't created anything. We've just assembled things in crazy order. So creation is something completely different, and we can't actually create new material. So when you're looking at what we use, it must come from nature originally. But what we've done is we've assembled things in such a crazy order, they can be dangerous and hard to deal with, or hard to degrade, or something that breaks down into nanoparticles. Or we've isolated particular components so they're very long-lasting and detrimental. They're highly toxic. So we've got to be careful that we're not using resources that degrade other systems and are very long-lasting. So what we're looking at is whatever we use, does it fit into a natural system? In other words, whatever components we use in a permaculture design, if we can't use them, if we produce a surplus that we can't trade, it can be used by the system. So we try and set up a system that is sufficient to itself. Rudolf Steiner said, a farm should be a living organism which is self-sufficient to itself. Many old-fashioned farmers had a saying that they won't sell anything that won't walk off the farm itself. So everything can be reconsumed within the farm. So everything we use is a resource that can be created by the system, and everything that we create in a system can be used by the system if we can't trade it. So that's how we start to look at it. So all our resources can come from living resources, and we work towards that, and we work towards a system that is self-sufficient and self-cycling to itself. Now, you don't get it straight away, but this is the direction. This is the roadmap. This is the destination you're aiming for. And that's the challenge. That's part of the excitement.